Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be drawing the third angle projection of the isometric drawing which was given of the hexagonal base prism. At CAD with Mr. Hew, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hew. In today's video, we'll be drawing the hexagonal base prism in third angle projection. In the previous video, we looked at the development drawing for the prism, and it was a rectangular base prism. So we'll be starting by drawing the plan view first for the hexagonal base prism. So the first thing we're going to draw is the plan view, which is the top view. So we're going to start right here. The first thing we're going to draw is a base. The base would be 20 millimeters long. Then I'm going to turn off ortho. So the length of the side is 20 millimeters and the angle would be 60 degrees. Enter. Alright, so remember we're drawing the hexagon. Now, it's a regular hexagon, so the length of the side would be 20 and the angle would be 120 degrees. Enter. We're going to come across, we can turn on ortho. The length of this line will be 20 millimeters. Enter. We're going to turn off ortho. The length of this line will be 20 and the angle would be 240 degrees. Enter. Then the length of this line will be 20 millimeters and the angle will be 300 degrees. Alright, so this is our completed plan for the hexagonal base prism. Alright, what we're going to do now, we're going to label plan here. So we're going to go single line text and we're going to label this. Going to start right here. The height to be 6 millimeters. Enter. Rotational angle 0 and we'll label this plan. Alright, this is our plan. Alright, now, so this is the top view. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a random line here, construction line. So we're going to turn on ortho. Turn on ortho. I'm going to draw this line right here. That's a construction line. Alright. Now, let me indicate the length of the side. So we're going to go angular in the plan view, right? So this measurement from here to, I'm going to turn off ortho. I'm going to turn off snap. Need to turn on object snap here. There is a 20 millimeters, okay? So what we're going to do now, we're going to project lines down to intersect this construction line, right? We're going to shift the drawing up. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a line to indicate the how long what's the height of the prism, all right? So I'm going to draw a line from here. It's a construction line and the height of the prism is 70 millimeters. So I'm going to turn on ortho. I'm going to go to line. I'm going to select here and we're going to come down 70 millimeters. This is the height. Enter. All right. From here, I'm going to draw a construction line from here coming across. Enter. So what we're going to do now, we're going to project down lines, construction lines from here. So we're going to go from here coming down. Enter. Enter to get the last command. We're going to draw a line from here, coming down. Enter. Enter to get the last command. Alright, now the 20. I'm going to remove it and put it on the other side. So I'm going to go aligned from here to there. And that is a 20 millimeter. Alright, good. So what we can do now, we can go to the layer properties manager and we can make a new layer called outline. We're going to make the line width 0.3 millimeters. Press OK. I'm going to make this layer current. Alright, so what we're going to do, I'm going to draw a line and we're going to darken up this. So there, 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 enter. Right, we're going to go line again from here, there, enter, there, there, enter. Alright, we're going to darken the plan also. So we're going to press enter to get the last command. And we're going to go from there. We're going to turn off ortho. So from there to there to there, 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 enter. Alright. So we're going to label the front elevation right here. Okay. So we're going to go single line text. I'm going to select right here as the height. 6 millimeter would be the height. Rotational angle 0. And we're going to label front. No, I'm going to make the height 4 millimeters. Alright. So we're going to go single line text. And come here. The height will be 4. 4. Enter rotational angle 0. Enter. So this would be front elevation. Alright. We're going to delete the plan here. Alright, so we're going to go single line text. And we're going to start right here. Height would be 4, rotational angle 0, and this would be plan. Alright. What we're going to do, we're going to move it and send to the word plan, right? We're going to turn off objects now. Alright, good. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the end elevation for the prism. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to draw a 45-degree line. Alright, so we're not seeing the dimensions clearly for the 70 millimeters here. So what we're going to do, we're going to type in dim style, D for short. We're going to click modify. We're going to go to the fit command, not the fit command, the fit tab. I'm going to change from 1 to 2. I'm going to press OK. We're going to close. And there's a 20 millimeter. Alright, good. Now we're going to delete this line. Alright, we're going to trim this line. Or we can delete it. Alright, let's just delete it. Those are construction lines. Alright, it's not part of the drawing. Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to draw the end elevation, right? So we have come to the end of part 1 of 2 videos covering the topic how to draw a third angle projection drawing of a hexagonal base prism that was drawn in isometric projection. In the next video, we'll be continuing the drawing and we hope to see you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.